Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we will see how you can manage flagged items in enterprise search. First of all, navigate to the dashboard, where you will find a list of all flagged issues. This list includes the status, reason for the report, name, and other details. To view more details, simply click on Go to Chat. Here, you will be able to see why it was flagged, and you can review the details here. Let's go back. If a flagged issue is new, it will be indicated by a new status. To mark all of these issues as read, click on Mark All as Read, which will change the status from new to viewed. To moderate these issues, navigate to the Moderator dashboard. Admins and moderators can manage these issues using the Moderator dashboard, where they can approve or reject requests in the moderation queue. Here you can see the moderation queue and decide whether to approve or reject each request. And you can also click on View Chat to jump to that specific chat. By clicking on Approved, you can view all issues that have been approved, and clicking on Rejected will display all rejected issues. To view all existing tags, click on Tags. From here, you can edit or deactivate tags. If you want to create a new tag, simply click on Create Tag, and here you can enter all the tag details. This is how you can effectively manage flagged items in enterprise search. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.